If you are trying to sell printable coloring pages on Etsy and you are tired of competing with 5 million other people selling the exact same mandala designs, you are probably ready to throw your laptop out the window. SoftSpaces claims to fix this by handing you a completely different product called reverse coloring. They say you can enter the mental wellness market instantly without drawing a single line yourself. Let's see if it is a game changer or just colorful clutter. Hey Kamal from TestedApps.com here. 6 years in the trenches testing tools that promise the moon. Today we are doing an honest review with real results and absolutely no fluff. I dig through the hype so you do not have to waste your money on stuff that collects digital dust. Quick heads up, I've put together an exclusive bonus bundle if you decide to grab SoftSpaces through my link below. These are tools and resources I use personally to get traffic, and they are yours free if you pick this up. Details are in the description, so make sure to check those out. SoftSpaces is a massive PLR collection designed for self-publishers, Etsy sellers, and digital creators. The main promise is to help you break into the mental wellness and relaxation niche without needing to hire an expensive artist. Instead of empty outlines, you get beautiful watercolor washes where the customer draws the lines themselves. It's called reverse coloring, and it is trending hard right now because it removes the pressure of perfection. Here are the 3 dead simple steps. Step 1, log in and download the assets. It's easier than ordering a pizza. Step 2, bundle them into a PDF or upload them to Amazon KDP as a paperback. No art degree required. Step 3, list it for sale and keep 100% of the profits. If you can unzip a file, you are qualified for this. Here is what actually moves the needle with this pack. First, you get over 350 high-definition pages. This means you can create 7 or 8 different books from a single purchase. Second, you get full private label rights. You can put your name on it, rebrand it, and claim it as your own work. Third, it hits the anxiety relief angle. You are not selling a child's toy for $2. You are selling stress relief and art therapy, which commands a much higher price tag. Let's talk numbers. The front-end price is around $14.50 one time. If you went to Fiverr to hire an artist to paint watercolor backgrounds, you'd pay $5 to $10 for a single image. Here you are getting hundreds of them for the price of a takeout lunch. It's a pay once and own forever deal. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. There are some optional upgrades in the funnel you should know about. OTO1 is SoftSpaces Premium for about $34. This gets you over 1,000 extra pages. If you plan to dominate Amazon KDP, this is my top pick because volume wins on Amazon. There's also a light version of that upgrade for $24 if you want to save $10. OTO2 is a kids coloring bundle for $64. This is expensive, but it gives you multiple full products in the kids niche. OTO3 is the kids activity bundle for $44. Honestly, you only need OTO1 to make the main reverse coloring method work. Here's my insight. I put this through my usual logic test. The files are static images. That means there's no software to crash and no login issues to worry about. It's a simple asset download. The quality is solid, but remember that since it's PLR, other people have these images too. You will need to make a unique cover to stand out. This is not a magic ATM machine. You can't just upload the raw files and expect to retire next Tuesday. You still need to write a description and create a listing. Also, if you are looking for software that generates new images on the fly, this is not it. These are pre-made files. Imagine having a catalog of relaxation books selling in the background while you sleep. That's what SoftSpaces unlocks for you. It removes the hardest part of the process, which is creating the actual art. The link is below and the launch pricing will not last long. Questions? Drop them in the comments below. Like if this was helpful and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. See ya.